In today's video, we're answering a question a lot of players are asking. Can you gift a card to your friends in Forza Horizon 6? If you've been looking for a way to send a specific card directly to a friend, I'll show you exactly how the current system works, what the gift drop feature actually does, and whether you can choose a specific person or not. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Forza Horizon 6 tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open Forza Horizon 6 and go to the pause menu. From there, look for the Cars tab. This is where you'll find all the options related to your garage, your car collection, and the gifting feature. Once you're inside the Cars tab, click on Gift Drop. This is the option the game gives you for sharing a car with another player. Next, choose the car that you want to gift. You can scroll through your available cars and select the one you want to send. At this point, it might seem like the game will let you pick a friend from your list, but that's not how it works right now. When you get to the gift menu, you'll notice there is no option to gift to a friend, no option to type in a specific username, and no option to select a particular person. Instead, the game uses a general gifting system, which means the car is not being sent directly to someone you choose. So if your goal is to surprise a specific friend with a specific car, Forza Horizon 6 currently does not support that feature. That means you cannot directly target a friend or choose a specific player to receive the car. So to answer the question clearly, no. In the current version of Forza Horizon 6, you cannot gift a car directly to your friends or to a specific person. The gifting process is simple, but it is limited. You can choose the car, but you cannot choose the recipient. If Playground Games adds more gifting options in the future, that could change. But as of now, that feature is not available in the game. So if you were hoping to send a car straight to your friend's garage, you'll need to wait for a possible update or use whatever sharing features the game offers through its general gift drop system. I hope this clears things up and saves you some time trying to find a friend-specific gift option that isn't there. If this video answered your question, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick Forza Horizon 6 guides, and I'll see you in the next one.